Question 26, factoring polynomials. Today's question, 3a plus 1 whole cube minus 2a minus 3 whole cube. We have to factorize this one. So it's looking like a cube minus b cube. So what is the factorization law of a cube and minus b cube? A minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, right? So this case, first a minus b. So because here is a minus, so we are following difference law of cubic two numbers. So first a minus b, it means 3a plus 1, then minus 2a minus 3, right? And then here is a square plus ab plus b square. We can write in here a square, it means 3a plus 1 whole square, then plus ab means 3a plus 1 times 2a minus 3 plus then b square, it means 2a minus 3 whole square, then like this. Now we can expand this bracket, so 3a plus 1 minus 2a minus 3, and here we are trying to solve step by step. How? First this one we can write 3a square plus 2ab, 2 times 3a times 1, and then plus 1 square plus. Now we will expand this two expression. First 3a times 2a, it means 6a square, and then minus 9a, then plus 2a, then minus 3. So this part done. And final term, which is 2a minus 3 whole square. This one we can write first 2a square minus 2 times 2a times 3, and then plus 3 square. Okay, so here is a 3a minus 2a, we can write a, and then plus 1 minus 3, it will be minus 2, right? So it's the first part done. Is it okay? No. Here is, look, one big mistake happened. Here is a minus sign, so it means it should be plus, right? So be careful about this one. So if this one is a plus, it means 1 plus 3, so answer will be plus 4. Now 3 square, 9a square plus 6a plus 1, then plus 6a square minus 9a plus 2a minus 3 plus, here is a 4a square minus 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 3 is a 12a plus 3 square means 9, right? So here we get a plus 4. And how about here? 9a square, 6a square, it means 15a square plus 4a square, so we can say 19a square, right? Next, here is 6a and 6a, we can keep in, this one is a 6a, and here is a minus 9a minus 12a, it means minus 21a. So what will be the result? Here is any a, here is also plus 2a, it means 6a plus 2a, 8a, right? So 8a minus 21a, it means minus 13a, so we can write minus 13a, right? And then here is plus 1 and plus 9. It's a 10 minus 3. So here is plus 7. And this is our answer. It's not so hard, but we have to very conscious about plus or minus sign. If any by mistake, if you write plus instead of minus, you will get 0, right? So few moments ago I did that kinds of mistake, so be careful. Thank you very much for being with me. Please subscribe this channel. I have completed 26 math of factoring polynomials chapter. Next video we will start 27. Till then, take care, keep practice. Don't forget, subscribe my channel.